BCA Hub video series brings together the latest video tech tips on wheel hubs, bearings, and seals, featuring the experts you trust. Brought to you by BCA Bearings by NTN. Learn more at bcabearings.com.
Got a question for you. What is the least expensive and the most profitable for a shop when it comes to replacing a hub unit? Well, could it be the economy hub or the premium hub? You got to take several things into account. On an accounting level, you will always select the least expensive part. The logic is that it will cost the customer less and the shop might have more room to set a profit margin, but also at a fair price. If you look at the hub as a long-term investment and you also factor in that possibility of a comeback, well, the premium unit is the least expensive unit and the most profitable. Here is a great example of using a premium hub unit and how it can make your shop more profitable. This is BCA's W60626HW. It is intended for the Ford F-250 4x4, pretty much 2014 and up. With this unit, well, it's relatively difficult to replace. In other words, inside the labor information, this bill's at 1.8 hours. Also, there are other items that may not be included with a bargain or economy hub unit that you'll need to make the job easier. For example, these studs. Some economy units will not include this inside the package. If you have these, well, you're going to have to take the old unit out, extract these from the hub unit, and then put them onto the new unit, which isn't exactly the best solution. With the WE60626HW, these are included inside the package. This will save you time in having to extract these out of the old unit. Another example of what's in the package, well, it's this O-ring. This is critical for four-wheel drive operation. It has a special diameter and a special profile too that goes around the hub unit. If this is not replaced, or you take the old one off the old unit and put it on the new unit, you're going to have vacuum leaks. And the customer is going to get a warning that their four-wheel drive is not working properly, and there could be other consequences to your business and productivity because now you have a comeback. Also, things like this clip that hold the axle in. You may have to order this from the dealer or reuse the old one if you have a budget hub unit. So just keep these things in mind when you're looking at that part screen, that it's not strictly about price. It is actually about what is in the box and what can make your technicians more productive and more profitable. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.